Saving money using compound interest is a powerful strategy for building wealth over time. Here's how to maximize its benefits. Number one, start early. The earlier you save money, you begin to save, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can accumulate significantly due to compounding. Number two, choose the right account. Opt for high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, or investment accounts that offer compound interest. Compare rates to find the best option. Excuse me. Number three, reinvest earnings. So instead of cashing out interest or dividends, reinvest them to increase your principal amount. This accelerates the compounding effect. Number four, make regular contributions. Consistently add to your savings, whether monthly or annually. Regular contributions enhance your investment and compound growth. Number five, be patient. Understand that compounding works best over long periods. Resist the urge to withdraw funds prematurely to maximize growth. Put $850 a month for 20 years. What, an $11,000 down payment at 7% returns? Calculate what you're going to get. Number six, educate yourself on rates. Familiarize yourself with how often interest is compounded daily, monthly, annually. More frequent compounding can lead to greater returns. Number seven, set financial goals. Define clear savings goals to stay motivated. This can help you focus on long-term growth rather than short-term spending. And by leveraging these strategies, you can effectively save money and take full advantage of compound interest for your financial future.